The Qur'an is a book of the self, a map of human psychology. Its purpose is to educate and elevate the nafs, calm the restless mind, and restore peace. Deen means a debt, a responsibility to return to the evolver in the form of Islam, the state of inner peace. The more we live in tranquility, the closer we return to our original fitra, our natural conscience. From childhood, we are programmed into restlessness, trapped in the past and future, detached from the present and our true nature. Reason is silenced, blind belief is glorified, and personal responsibility fades. We search for kafir and mushrik outside, while ignorance grows within. Killing in the name of faith becomes sacred, but the Quran's killing is psychological, not physical. To kill means to educate, to discipline, to transform the nafs, not to harm the body, but to evolve the self. Do not kill the nafs except by haqq. Do not destroy your inner self except through truth. Killing with haqq means erasing false thought through reflection, logic, and understanding. It is the death of ignorance and the birth of awareness. Musa said to his people, "You have wronged yourselves by taking al-ijl, haste. Repent to your Bari, the one who sets free, and kill your nafs, not by violence, but by patience and self-education. Hastiness enslaves, reflection liberates. When the nafs is trained, it returns to its Bari, the source of freedom." Musa and Firaun both exist within us. Musa is the awakening voice of conscience. Firaun is fear, arrogance, and stubbornness. When Firaun rules, reason dies. When Musa awakens, the false mindset is slain. This is the true Qatal, the inner education that kills ignorance. The Quran speaks not of outer wars, but of the inner battlefield of thought. Our conscience is At-Tawwab Ar-Rahim, the ever-returning, ever-merciful guide within. Through it, we evolve. The Quran is the psychology of the nafs. Killing means ending falsehood within, not life outside. To arm oneself with knowledge is Qatal. Those with true knowledge never die, for ignorance is the only death. Killing ignorance gives birth to life, strength, and evolution. Without that killing, the self remains dead. Every seeker and wali of Allah becomes a killer of his own nafs, walking the path back to his evolver.